Welcome to one of our clients' live accounts. We'll just quickly show you here. So aluminium windows is searched, and then these ads come up, aluminium windows, aluminium windows. So one of our clients is an aluminium windows company, and they also do sliding doors, and you can see it's a live account. We've just blocked out their account ID for security purposes, but affordable aluminium windows, there we go. And it's got a good CTR, which is a click-through rate of 8.66%. And so in the month, there were 637 clicks on this client's ads for the month. And here we can actually see, the impression share and the top of the page rate. So it's a positioning map. On the one axis, we're seeing how many times it's shown. And on the other axis, we're seeing the top of the page rate. Like how many times do the ads show at the top of the page, like what I just showed you. So basically, these dots here are the competitors, and blue is you, which is our client. And you can see our client attains 87.50% impression share. And it's at the top of the page 85.06% of the time. Now, this is very important because most people just click at what's at the top of the page. So these two metrics are very favorable for our clients, and it means we're doing a great job because, as you can see, the competitors are so far behind, and we are actually being shown 87.50% of the time, and at the top of the page 85.06% of the time. So we really dominate the space. I mean, you can see all the competitors to our client, and also the search marketing companies that are running their ads. You can see they're all together here. The ones that are in color are the ones that are closest to us. The grayed out ones are very far behind us. So you can see if we look at primal aluminium, they're shown half the time, and they're basically at the top of the page half the time. And then we see all these results, 33% of the time they're shown, top of the page half the time. So here we see, and even Megadoors only shown 17% of the time, but at the top of the page more often, but still they're far lower down. So here, we're doing exceptionally well. And it's important to know this because our client, although they're a medium-sized, very successful company, they're certainly Megadoors is a massive national franchise, for instance. So if we look at the auction insights, we can see, again, we are 87.50% of the time we are shown, and at the top of the page, 85.06% of the time. And these are real companies, and Google are telling us, this is their platform. They're saying primal aluminium is shown half the time. There you go. Kilt 33.92% of the time, and it goes down. Megadoors 17.03% of the time. So you can see, I mean, we are just really ahead of the competition and completely on another level to them. There's just no comparison. So if you want to be able to compete within your industry, like what we're showing for our clients here, then we can really help you, because even if you have a limited budget, through our skills and experience, we can help you dominate the online space for that industry. And that's what's very important to take away from this. We also only work with one client per industry because we dominate so much. It would be a conflict of interest. You would be seeing two dots as ahead of all the others, So we, out of good faith, only work with one client per industry. We don't compete on keyword level. We don't compete clients against clients. So if you want this great service, then just let us know and we can set it up for you. Just go to our website, www.brandseedseo.co.za. The link is in the description of this video. And just drop us a message and we'll do a no obligation free quote and proposal for you. So thank you very much.